Hi everyone. On Thursday, as part of our PD, we're going to be taking a survey for our Microsoft Partners in Learning, which is part of our Mentor School program that we're doing this year. In order to do so, we all need to have logins into their website, which will also attach us to our school, so all the information goes to one place. Now I want to show you guys how to go ahead and do that. So the first thing we need to do is go onto their website, which is pil-network.com. And it'll take you to this page. You can go ahead and click on join. Now I've already joined this site, so part of this next step is going to be a little bit different if you haven't already joined. Part of the deal to do this is that we have to all have Microsoft email accounts. Unfortunately, our school email doesn't work for this. You can still have all the information sent to your school email, but for the login purpose, it won't do that. So you can use either a Google account, or if you have a Microsoft account, or Facebook and Yahoo, the email addresses that you have attached to those also work. It doesn't take any of your information off of there. It just needs that website. I'm going to use Google to do it. I'm going to select my email address I want to use and go ahead and log in. It'll take me to this site. Now I've already started a little bit on here. So I'm going to show you what I've done and what you guys will need to do to finish up. So I'm going to go here up on my name. I'm going to click on the arrow and view my profile. And it'll pull up my drop down profile. Next to my name there's an edit button. As you go through here, there'll be all different things that are starred that you'll need to fill in. Obviously your name, and then your email address that you want to use when communicating with partners in learning. On my real one, I've got my school email account, so everything that it sends me will go to my school email address, but I'm making a second one here, so I'm just using this email. I'm going to go ahead down a little farther, and you're going to need to fill in your country that we're in, the United States, obviously the city that you're in. I'm in Wyandotte currently, state, zip code, and it'll fill in the time zone for you. This part right here, English, is very important that you put that in, otherwise this website will come up in a different language. Then go ahead and click on next. See if it popped up. Nope. There, now it did. Okay, now here's where we have the important information, where we select our school, because that's what we're part of. You can go ahead and start typing in our school name. It should start to pop up. And we are this one right here with the crazy green sad face. We've been having some issues with this. As you can see, there's also a school in Ecuador, Ojibwa. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but we want to make sure we select the one in Bloomfield Hills. And then it'll fill in the rest of the information for you. Whatever you're currently teaching. Let's see, I'm going to fill this one out. I really like history, so we'll go with history. And they'll say 11 to 13. Do you have a professional blog, Twitter, any of that kind of stuff? I'm just going to use no because you have to fill all of those things in. I started teaching in 2008. And anything that we use. I have an Android phone, I use a personal computer, an iPad tablet, let's see, I have Microsoft 13, and then I want to remain public so I can see comments and connect with other people, and then I want notifications immediately when they're sent to me. Click done. I've been getting this pop up a lot. If it happens to you, it's not a big deal. It still saves all your information. I'm not really sure. I think they're having some type of issue with their website, but just go ahead and click OK. Okay, so now you're all set up for our school. And if you want to check to see that you are attached to our school, all you need to do is go to For Schools and then find a school. It will open, there we go, and go ahead and start typing it in. Birmingham Covington is the last one that I searched for, so it's right up top. I'll click on it, and then I'll come down to Members, and there's the one I just created, John Kernan, 1/5/2014. And I'm going to go ahead and delete that because I've already got one on here. That's all we need to do, and if you can get that done, we'll be all set for Thursday. Thanks. Have a great rest of your vacation.